Hello friends, in today's little freebie video, I am going to paint a little sunflower. So I am going to use cadmium yellow, cadmium red orange, and a mixture of orange with indigo gives me this very deep brown color. But you can use any brown color you want. And I am using my Arches watercolor paper, and I am going to use this very special brush that is called a Surikomi brush. I found it in Japan, but you can use any brush with a point. I just really enjoy using this particular brush. And then I am going to use a dagger brush. So basically what I'm going to do when I do my petals is I am going to use all of my yellow like this in the brush, and then just the very tip of the brush I am going to dip it in the orange to create that dual contrast leaves. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put the camera a little closer so you guys can see all the details. So I'm doing the same thing where I am dragging the brush beautiful, and that creates the transparency. Now I am going to go ahead, and it's being that the center of my flower already is dry, I'm going to go ahead and add a few more dabs of brown so I maintain this beautiful bleed that happens in the leaves. Now I like to add a little bit of detail with this Winsor & Newton gold ink, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a little plate like this. But this is obviously a detail that is just a little extra. So I am going to use a different brush, a filbert brush, and I'm going to add a lot of water to my little plate. And I am just going to add a tiny little bit of shimmer on the leaves. So it's just a lot of water diluted because I just want a tiny little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a tiny little bit of glitter. It's a little bit much, so I'm going to clean my brush and remove some of it. I just want a tiny little bit at the edge. Beautiful. So with the paint that I just picked up, I'm going to do another leaf to just add a tiny little bit of gold. Now with a tiny little brush like this, I am going to add a little bit of gold in the center just to finish it up. Alright, that is the end of the mini tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it.